Not so long ago, OnePlus launched some of the fantastic smartphones in OnePlus 8 series. However, a lot of people were looking for an affordable OnePlus Z to show up as well, but the phone was nowhere to be seen. The reason for this apparent postponement of OnePlus Z was due to the virus crisis and is now expected to debut this summer. But you don't have to wait till then to know what it packs, how its design will be, and its expected price. So stay tuned and I'll be back with all the details right after this. Based on the latest leaks from /leaks, the OnePlus Z exists and does look every bit as affordable and as a device in 2020 would look like, with the center punch hole and flat screen design, huge rear camera bump and moderate bezels, but for the price, OnePlus Z will be a hit. First, let's start with the display. The OnePlus 8 Pro has the best display on the market. The vanilla OnePlus 8's display might lack some of the features the Pro offers, but it isn't that bad. With that being said, OnePlus Z could also prove to be a great option for OnePlus fans who want high refresh rate display at a relatively affordable price point. Rumors suggest the phone will arrive with a 90Hz AMOLED panel, just like the standard OnePlus 8, albeit with a flat 6.4-inch panel. The configuration on back of OnePlus Z gets a bit confusing, with few leaks and renders suggesting 3 cameras while few suggest 2 rear cameras. Personally, I think OnePlus will go with triple cameras, with main lens being a 48-megapixel camera. As for processor, there's no word on a specific processor, but earlier rumors pointed to a 5G-enabled MediaTek chipset, which is an interesting choice by OnePlus. It will be either MediaTek Dimensity 800 or Dimensity 1000 chipset. I think it will be Dimensity 1000, which means this phone will have 5G support as well. The Dimensity 1000 is a flagship level processor in many ways, offering the latest ARM CPUs and machine learning silicon, but a slightly weaker Mali G77 MP9 GPU than the Exynos 990 on paper. The battery will be a sizable 4000 mAh and with 30-watt fast charging. Other apparent specs includes an in-display fingerprint scanner, 8GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of storage. The best part about owning a OnePlus phone is the software experience. For OnePlus, it comes with the Oxygen OS. It's snappier, kinda stockish, and a minimalistic take on Android 10. As for pricing, Agarwal claimed that the phone will retail for around £400, which is like $500 US. And for this price, OnePlus could give Apple and Google a serious run for their money in the budget sector. And that's about it for the OnePlus Z rumors. More will be coming soon, so subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Peace out.